guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
Behind the camera is Michael. Michael, say hi to everyone.
Hi everyone.
Don't do that. Do that hey that you always say.
Hey.
Well, I know it's been a while, but I've been, busy, family, and just good things. Summer's coming. So right now, guys, I was telling my son, I'm like, hey, do people know how to? I know that everybody knows how to make frozen vegetables, but a lot of people really don't know how to make them, and they come out soggy, and you know what I'm saying? It feels like something all mushy, and they don't come nice and soft. But anyway, I want to show you guys how to make like frozen corn and taste it like it's fresh, coming out of the cup. So this is 1 pound of corn that I have here. So what I'm gonna do, 16 ounces, I'm gonna put it here. Oh, a little bit fell down, but it's okay. I'm gonna put it here, and I'm gonna open the water like that. Okay. And I'm just gonna wash it down. Those that fell, it doesn't matter, it's no big deal. You wash it down.
Hot water or cold water?
This, I just put a little bit of hot water. That's what I did. But you can put cold, whatever you want, it doesn't matter. But the only reason I like to wash it like that, I'm gonna put a little bit of cold too, is so it can take off that taste, that freezer taste, that vegetables and frozen stuff get all the time. And then I'm gonna take my corn, and I have this little pan here with a little tiny bit of water. You see that? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna throw this in like that inside that water, and along with that, I'm gonna add up, guys, a whole stick of butter. And this butter already has salt. It's salted, okay? And I'm gonna put it here, because that's very super sweet corn, by the way. That's what it said in the back.
That's right.
And we're gonna put it there. And now I'm gonna close it and cover it on medium high for 4.5, 5 minutes. And I'm gonna cover it right now. I'm gonna let you guys go. And while you guys are gone, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel, and with that, subscribe to it. So every time we make videos like this spontaneously, we'll notify you right away, So I'm gonna take my lid. It has a little hole so the steam can come out. I'm gonna leave it like that, and I'm gonna let it get hot. I'll come back with a little video before we come back so you guys can see what I'm talking about. It's gonna start boiling along with the butter, and it's gonna be delicious, just like restaurant style, believe me. I'm gonna let you go, and we'll be right back in 5 minutes. Not even 5. I'll let you know how long. Maybe 3, between 3 and 3.5. Thanks for watching. And this is what it actually gonna look like, guys. And leave it on high. Let it reduce, and when you see it like it's getting very dry, you turn it up and get it up. We'll be back in like a minute and a half. Thanks for watching. That was 2.5 minutes. Thank for you guys for coming, but you see how it goes. It reduces real fast.
Oh yeah.
But you want to leave a little bit of that buttery kind of like water down there, okay? Because that's for all the corn together. So I'm just gonna serve a little bit in a plate so you guys so I can take my pictures. And I hope everybody's getting ready for the summer, because right here, we're like in the 90s today, and we're only in April, but that's how Texas is in the summertime. We get real hot.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put a little bit of corn. I just want you guys to see how pretty it comes out. And it tastes very fresh, let me tell you.
It looks very fresh.
And it tastes very, very fresh.
Look at that restaurant style.
You wash it, and exactly. You get to wash the corn, and you put it on a pot with a little bit of water. You let it reduce. You put your stick of butter, of course, salted. If you have any problems with salt, because of all the salt in your system, because of your cholesterol, then get the butter that is not salted. So with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm just gonna take a little bit so you guys see that I do eat my food. I'm gonna start eating my food, and I want you guys to enjoy it as much as I'm going to enjoy it. I'll let you guys know how good it is. Hold on, because I tend to burn myself all the time. You better take that camera off my face like that, Mike. I have red eyes this morning. I don't know why, but look.
Yeah?
Burn myself a little bit. Very delicious, very sweet. This is what you do perfectly. And with that, I'll let you guys go. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, on YouTube, of course. And then Pinterest. What else, Michael?
And Patreon.
And Patreon, if you want to donate, just go down below. and click on the link, and it'll take you directly, and I explain you how can you donate from $1, $200 to $500 to $1,000, whatever you want. Love you. Don't drink and drive. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy as much as I am right now my delicious sweet corn. Okay, so thanks for watching. Oh, and by the way, before we go, I wanted to tell you these 1 pounds of corn, if you get the supermarket brand, they're like 89 cents, 90 cents. It's a whole pound, and you can feed a family of 4 with that, you know. So thank you again. Love you all.